Hello guys and welcome back. So today ang topic natin ay itong mga top 5 vocal mixing mistakes. Okay, so let's get started. The first mistake in my list na ginagawa in vocal mixing is too much compression. So adding compression to your vocal mix is really important. Pero kapag nasobrahan naman sa compression, magiging parang squashy yung output niya, gaya neto.
Daming galit, daming get, di sila makarelate. Like she's fake, yoko sa snake, gusto nila kumaded. Dami, you can stay me, they want camaraderie. Don't care, subang wrist, black trade, we're ready.
Lalo na if naka-fast attack, mas magiging squashy pa yung kalabasan. So basically, yung lead vocals mo dapat mala in your face ang datingan or upfront. Kailangan mo lang i-analyze yung track and slowly mo lagyan ng compression. Just like ratio, attack, release, and gain. Based na rin kung anong genre ang minimix mo. In short, i-balance mo lang, huwag sobra. The second mistake is too much reverb. So some people still doing this, especially yung mga nagko-cover ng mga songs nila at pinopost sa Facebook or YouTube. Don't get me wrong ha, there are songs naman na kailangan ng malakas or wide na reverb. For example, yung mga kanta ni The Weeknd. Pero some people are using too much reverb sa wrong na genre. I-base nyo yung reverb type sa kanta nyo. You don't want to put a wide reverb sa rap vocals. Kasi kapag ginawa nyo ito, magiging weird ang sound.
Daming galit, daming get, di sila makarelate. Like she's fake, yoko sa snake, gusto nila kumaded. Dami, you can stay me, they want camaraderie. Don't care, subang wrist, black trade, we're ready.
So tip ko lang, if mag-a-add kayo ng reverb sa hook or chorus nyo, piliin nyo yung mga hall type reverb. And if sa verse naman, piliin nyo yung mga plate type reverb. Syempre, adjust nyo lang to your taste and balance nyo lang. So the third mistake is too much brightness. Nowadays, the brighter the vocal, the better. Pero if ginamit mo naman ito ng sobra, magiging tunog lata ang kalabasan ng vocal mix mo. Just like this.
Daming galit, daming get, di sila makarelate. Like she's fake, yoko sa snake, gusto nila kumaded. Dami, you can stay me, they want camaraderie. Don't care, subang wrist, black trade, we're ready. Daming galit, daming get, di sila makarelate.
Or if hilig mo naman gumamit ng mga saturator or exciter plugins just like Fresh Air or Mag EQ, please make sure na di mo ito gagamitin ng sobra. Dapat sakto lang. Kumbaga, less is more. The fourth mistake is mixing in solo. So this is very easy to understand, di ba? So if gusto mo mag-sit sa mix yung vocals mo, much better if you mix it with instruments or kasabay ang mga instruments. If nagmi-mix ka ng vocals tas sinolo mo, even if sa tingin mo okay na yung pagka-mix mo, pero nakasolo ka while minimix mo yun, ang tendency is pag plinay mo na lahat ng sabay-sabay with the instruments is mag-iiba yung sound. Maybe malakas yung vocals mo if nakasolo ka, pero kung sabay na lahat, pati yung beat, nasasapawan siya ng beat or ng mga instruments. Meron naman din magandang maidudulot ang pag-mix na solo, just like sweeping the harsh frequencies, but most of the time, magmi-mix ka kasabay ang vocals and the instruments. The fifth mistake in my list is not cutting the sibilance. So, let's say okay na yung compression mo and tapos mo nalagyan ng mga pang-enhance ng vocals or mga exciter plugins. So if gumamit ka ng mga exciter plugins, syempre magiging mas revealing yung mga harsh S sound.
Daming galit, daming get, di sila makarelate. Like she's fake, yoko sa snake, gusto nila kumaded. Dami, you can stay me, they want camaraderie. Don't care, subang wrist. Daming galit, daming get, di sila makarelate. Like she's fake, yoko sa snake, gusto nila kumaded. Dami, you can stay me.
Kaya dapat mag-insert ka ng mga deesser. Kasi pag walang deesser, masakit sa tenga yung mga high frequencies, especially sa mga cheap earphones. So please do take care of your ears guys. Use some deesser, okay? So that is it guys sa aking top 5 vocal mixing mistakes. I do hope na meron kayong natutunan. So thanks for watching guys. See you again next time. Happy mixing and bye-bye.